After Friday prayer, a small Uyghur Muslims demand justice. Release the innocent men, release our brothers, they cry.
For the past half an hour there have been a group of Uyghur men and women protesting, raising their voices and shouting in anger. So far the authorities have done nothing, but now as you can see they're moving in to try and control this situation.
They quickly surround the group. Look closely at the protester in the white t-shirt. A policeman kicks him hard. Then, on the left, an officer runs in. Drawing his baton, he smashes it down with full force. Next, the protester is led away. His hands are held. He's defenceless. Another officer punches him repeatedly, then a kick. At this point we had to stop filming. The police began rounding up journalists. Earlier the group said they feared for their safety. There's no word from the authorities as to where they are now. Quentin Somerville, BBC News, Urumqi in Western China.